Are you looking to make your .NET Blazor hybrid mobile application more engaging and user-friendly? Imagine delivering timeline alerts, reminders, or updates directly to your users, even when they are using your app offline. That is the power of local push notifications. But what exactly is local push notification? It is simply a way to notify your users right on their devices without needing an internet connection. Unlike server-based notifications, local push notifications are triggered directly from your app. For example, think about a reminder for an upcoming meeting or an alert for a tax deadline. These can be handled entirely within your app, making the user experience smoother and more personal. So in this tutorial, I'm going to guide you on how you can implement this in your Blazor hybrid mobile application step by step. Quite few simple steps that we need to follow. Make sure you've created a Blazor hybrid project. And in here, we're going to install one package that is a local push notification package. That is what we'll be needing in this project. So let's hop into our Visual Studio and start this magic. So after we are done installing this plugin.local notifications package, we need to go to MAUI-program.cs and add a service in there. So click on solution, go to MAUI-program.cs, and now let's do this. Alright, so now that we are done using this, we can go to our Blazor component, and straightforward, we're going to use an interface in there. So we can decide to create a service to wrap this. But well, if an interface is exposed, then why don't we use an interface? So let's hop into our home .razor component and now use this interface. So when you look at this, we have a button over here. After we are done injecting the interface, we have a button where we've wired this event to this button. As soon as this event is called, what's going to happen? From the service, an endpoint or less an API from this notification service. And now with this method, we can have it at show and it takes in a notification request. All these are coming from the interface that we created. Then with this notification request, we need to specify a notification ID. And now here we have a title and a description to display. Then we have the schedule. So here, what time do you want this to pop up? I'm saying that as soon as I click on this button, it should add 10 seconds or it should wait for 10 seconds. Then it should get displayed. That is all. This is quite simple, isn't it? Quite simple. Now, let's run this and let's check this out. So our page is ready. Now we're going to click on this button. Now when we click on the button, you know how much time that we are waiting for? Is over here, 10 seconds, right? So let's see. So we are expecting to see the message over here within 10 seconds. It seems we have waited for so long, more than 10 seconds, but yet we don't have the notification. What has happened? Now let's go and check from our manage notification service. Let's check it from there in our Android. Then let's go to this app notifications. Then let's select for all apps so we can have access to our own. Now you want to focus on Blazor hybrid local notification. Like you see, we cannot check this because we haven't added the request. Yes, I nearly forgot that. So let's go and add it. Now let's go to our solution. Go to the Android platform, or let's say platforms in general. Now in the Android folder, you can see we have Android manifest. Let's go and add a permission. So right click on that, go to open with. Make sure to choose XML text editor. And this line, let's add this line of code so we can request for post notifications. Okay, let's go and update the info plist for iOS. So here, right click and the same open with XML text editor. And down here, let's add this. So we are adding this. Okay, now that we are done, I think all set. Let's rerun this again. So this ready again. Let's check for my notification again. Let's click on manage. We're going to do the same thing as we did, app notifications. Now let's check, choose all apps, and then check for our Blazor. You can see now we can activate it. Great. Now here, we're going to click on this. Now let's check it out for 10 seconds. We click on it. Let's see whether they're going to have access to the message within 10 seconds. Oh yeah, we have it. So you can see from here, we have a Netcode-Hub subscription. Can we do that? And that is a title, and that is a message. You know, it is coming from this app that we installed as an app name, and that is it. Whoa. You've achieved that. So now you've seen how you can integrate local push notification in your application. There are many use cases that you can implement this, and maybe later on when we start with a practical aspect, a real project, we're going to implement some of these ideas in it. All right, so that is it. If you enjoy this, kindly like this video, and also if you haven't subscribed, then you subscribe because you are missing a lot of informative content. Yes. All right, so I'm going to catch you up again for another good content like this. Until then, take care.